checkpoint 8.3.2 show the output. Okay, so here main methods. We are looking at two-dimensional array with 3 rows and 2 columns. And then we have one variable sum equal to 0. We have only one for loop. Okay. Start with first row. Okay. Until last one. So this is one at a time. So we are processing 1 and 2 and then last row. Okay. Then we are going to use array I that's changed from 0, 1, and 2, and then we are processing only first column because this is index 0, so we are processing only this. So basically, first time when I is 0, column is 0, we are looking at number 1, adding it to sum. Then when I is number 1, again column is 0, we are looking at 3. So we are saying plus 3, so become 4, increase by 1, so we are adding 5. So basically we are doing addition 1 plus 3 plus and 5, adding the first column. Okay, 3 elements. So answer is going to be 9. Basically sum of the first column. If sum of the first column 9. That's all. Thank you.